to a fork in the road, stuck in the middle, trying to find all the answers to all the life's riddles. Come to a fork in the road, stuck in the middle, trying to find all the answers to all the life's riddles.
Just getting enraged, you know, that right there could really take you, you know, I feel like anger can take you to a bad place quicker than depression will. And you know, so
I agree, man.
Yeah,
I agree. And you know what? That's one of the things I learned from you. You talked about, you know, being slow to anger. You know, being just knowing how to control your anger and focus it into something more positive. I think that's definitely one thing I learned from you. And then, you know, I tried putting that in gym. You know,
yeah.
Oh man, I had a lot of anger. It was such a weird time. I did a lot of exercises, did a lot of pull-ups, did a lot of push-ups.
Yes, sir.
I got to running a lot more. And then I even joined the boxing gym. I did a lot of stuff. I joined the boxing gym. I remember I was sparring, and then my trainers were kind of looking at me like, is this guy looking for revenge? Like, they were looking in my eyes thinking that, yo, this guy's trying to kill someone. But like, I was legit just trying to make sure that the devil didn't get a hold of me. I was just trying to stay focused, because you know the thing is, this probably won't. I know I'm 23. This probably isn't going to be the last time that happens. You know what I mean? So, so I gotta be sharp, man. I just have to stay on. I have to be up more than they want me to be down.
Yeah. See, all them activities that you said that you're doing right there, those are centered around self-improvement. That, you know, hitting the gym, working on your body, working on your health, you know, reading books, working on your mind, you know. So when you in them environments, then you tend, it'll be a lot easier for you to start finding people that you can be around too, also that you can build a tribe with. But
either way, the